Yo, it's your boy Crypto Cowboy back at it again, stuffing these duffel bags and collecting that cheddar. Before I begin, please, please, please don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a friend trying to educate you. Alright, today we're going to be talking about Mooney DeFi. And as you can see, that's the icon right there. And we must be on Mars because I see the moon right there. And this does not look livable. But little water droplets here and there. Alright, alright. So welcome to Mooney. Mooney DeFi is the incubator based on Binance Smart Chain with innovative product launches where community gets rewarded in ecosystem tokens. So basically another Launchpad, you're holding these tokens, Launchpad RFI token, where if you're holding the token, boom shakalaka, you'll receive more tokens that can go to the moon. So I'm typically more bullish on these type of RFI tokens for sure. But let's continue. There's a white paper right there, the audit. They've got an audit, boom shakalaka. All right, that's in there like swimwear. All right, the price is 0.0000004. All right, there's the market cap right there, $149,000, $149,555, and the holders are above 22,000, so they got some backing. There's people that are like, yo, this project's the jam, but who knows? All right. So you could buy on PancakeSwap, view contract, live price chat, locked liquidity pool. Coin. It's listed on CoinGecko, Mooney Tracker, and listed on CoinMarketCap. And then it just shows xt.com. All right. So the big question: what is Mooney? Mooney DeFi is the incubator based on Binance Smart Chain with innovative product launches where community gets rewarded in ecosystem tokens. Our focus is to build innovative DeFi products for Binance Smart Chain and support fair launches for the community. The ecosystem consists of 4 main offerings initially. Here are the products with launch dates. All right. So fair launch. Mooney was a stealth launch with no pre-sale, so nobody got like tokens way before you. Like, it was just launched, everybody had ample time to know about it. The initial liquidity was added by the dev and the project was given to the community. Automatic liquidity pool. After each transaction, the 4% is automatically added to the liquidity pool. That is why the liquidity pool increases automatically, as we've seen with other RFI tokens, kind of standard. All right. Frictionless staking. 4% of every transaction redistributed to holders. Earn yield by just holding. Already burned 50% of Mooney. So they already burned it when the dev was locking up all the liquidity, blah, 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 yada, yada. So now they just burned half of the supply. There's cool graphics right here if you want to pause and take a gander at it. All right, power of Mooney. NFTs and Mooney. Mooney DeFi allows users to easily deposit BEP20 tokens, any tokens, into an NFT mint, trade, and marketplace. Oh, so they're going to have a marketplace, an NFT marketplace. That'll definitely have some boom, especially if it's an incubator too. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are a special type of cryptographic token which represents something unique. Non-fungible tokens are thus not mutually interchangeable. Mooney DeFi DApp will be able to mint your own NFT and trade it. You will be able to perform your art and put in marketplace. We're doing this to ensure safety for users on the platform. Users can mint their own NFTs or choose to purchase others. So they're going to have a little marketplace going on with them, along with the incubator. I ain't mad at this. And also it's an RFI token, so you're still getting quote unquote staking rewards. Not mad at all. And you don't have to lock up your tokens. Partner? No one. Not yet, at least. And then phase 1, brainstorm, team gathering, investment. And then phase 2 right here, web design, Twitter, Reddit, and Telegram. Create smart contract and deploy launching on PancakeSwap. Blah, 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 blah. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, new partnerships, liquidity pool. And launching NFT token in phase 3. Starting NFT development. launching NFT minting marketplace, exchange listing, they're going to have a lottery too in phase 3, so that's pretty nifty. Phase 4, they're going to have mobile apps, gamification, and DApp version 2. All right, so that seems all about it with the website. Let's look at BSC scan. So there are 100,000 million, billion, trillion, 1 quadrillion tokens in total supply, but 50% were burned, so at least just 500 trillion. And there are currently 23,423 addresses, and it really bumped up like right at May 25th, 26th, and the 27th. All right. Let's see the price. So the price was kind of level, and then boom shakalaka, then went back down, and then boom shakalaka, and then, you know, people were scared, depressed, everything to boom shakalaka, and they're like, oh gosh, and then boom shakalaka. Then it slowly went down because, you know, the quote unquote Bitcoin bear market, but who even knows what that means anymore? And yeah, the market cap right now is actually 1,134,000, as it says on Bogged Finance. So it's still in motion for sure. And one BNB will get you 100,000 million, 73 billion tokens for one BNB. What do I think about this? Honestly, it's an incubator. It's a launch pad. It will have NFTs, and it's an RFI token. I'm literally not mad at that, especially if the RFI aspect, I always love that because they get to add more to the liquidity pool and it will raise the price floor. But also it's a launch pad which will give you free tokens, and who doesn't love an NFT? I mean, come on now. Everybody loves it, but hey, what do I know? I'm just keeping you up to date on the down low. But, well, that's basically it. I guess I'll see you later, partner.